Hey guys, today I go outside and I bring you the new Moto Razr 50 Ultra modern green color. And this is the new foldable device from Moto, and I really like this color I hands on. It's called modern green color, and as we can see, the back panel is green leather material, and even the frame is also green color. And this time they bring a 4-inch external outside screen. Yes, gets very good display performance. All the sky screen support 165 Hz refresh rate, and it used the 7th generation Corning Gorilla Glass. And we can play games, listen videos, watch videos through the outside screen, and the big 4-inch screen can provide a good display performance. And if we unfold it, go to the inside screen, at this time to provide a 6.9-inch, also 165 Hz ATPO screen, and it's also OLED and display resolution range to 2640 and 1080. It's from the TCL screen. And this time for the screen compared to last generation, for the outside it's from 3.6 to 4, and inside they improved the hinge and also the screen display performance, and also the LTPO and the 165 Hz refresh rate. And we go to settings to check the display refresh rate. So maximum 165, so it's very high-end screen they provide. And also they use the punch-out screen, and for the external is the screen to body ratio reached to 95%. You can provide immersive experience. And for the battery part, as you can see, this time to provide a 4000 battery with 45 watt capable fast charging and 50 watt wireless charging, and the refresh rate record reached to 12822 WHL. So this is the new record. And also we can go to settings to check the processor information, and compared to the last generation, this time it uses Snapdragon 8 generation 3 processor. The last generation is Snapdragon 8 Plus per platform, and this time it also support LPDDR5X, the UFS 4.0. So this is the Glasgow high-end and flagship spec for the actual models in the market. And this time this is also a thin and weight light smartphone. The thickness is just 7.909 mm, and weight they control it at 189 grams. It's very nice. And also we can try to test the camera part. And for the camera certification, this time they provide a 50 megapixel LYT 600 OIS main camera and 2x zoom performance 50 megapixel Sony LYT 600 telephoto, dual LYT 600 camera lens, and for the front is 32 megapixel front camera. And also we can fold it like this to do like a makeup mirror, and also we can control different controlled the camera to this mode. And yes, this is the external screen. We're gonna switch from left swipe to turn on the camera and take the pictures. So very convenient design. And also we can wake up to twist the phone through the camera mode to wake up the camera. Yes, very convenient and useful and function design, funny design. And I really like this function. And especially it works with the big external screen. And here are the sample test, camera test. I put the pictures at the end of the video. And next, okay, we can open the TikTok and videos. We can try to see the video display performance, inside and outside screen for the
Okay, we will
So
not
if we can open the TikTok
automatically,
videos through the inside
as
screen
is,
and we go to the front
try
side,
to
the outside will not automatically
this,
open.
and
We
then
need to click again.
this will
But if we can
automatically
open
go
the
to
outside
the
app,
inside.
video app, and we go to
If
the
we
inside, it will inherit.
open this
So
app,
this is convenient, but not
external
two
screen.
ways automatically. And also, if we use the external outside screen to watch the videos, it's big screen, so it's very
outside screen,
good.
but when you play
And
videos,
no need to
do not
open
fully
the
get this
to
part. And here is for some
unfold it.
notifications.
I mean, you can also watch the videos, but it's not totally displayed on the 4-inch. Some parts is for the notification at the bottom of the screen part, and then the
outside screen, and here
the display is not totally
automatically
4-inch inside.
that. Okay, when you close
Yes.
here,
So for this part, and next I always to go outside to check the external screen, especially for the theme. The provide is very funny. The wallpaper, the home screen papers, the theme to provide, and also you can switch and change it through the external screen. It's very funny and very interesting. And for this green color, of course I would prefer the green colored theme, wallpaper and home paper, and the theme. And also if I hand it on my hand, I can say the size is very friendly for me because my hand is not so big, and the dimension about this one is 171, 73 and 7.09 thickness, and weight just 189 grams. And if we fold it like this, it's the 88, 73, and the thickness is just 15.32. So very nice for me to use it, especially for the small hands people. And now you can check the other applications, the TikTok, the news application Toutiao, and also we can watch videos as I mentioned, play games, watch videos, reading news through the outside external screen. So this is very convenient for me. Okay, we can unfold it. Okay, yes, so this is for this part. And at the last, I think we can enjoy the appearance of the design of this Moto Razr 50 Ultra. And it's time for 50 Ultra. It gets a very nice design, and also this is the mental frame, and also the top of the smartphone body. They use the noise cancelling micro, and also the fingerprint is built in is the same for the power button and the fingerprint button, 2-in-1 button, and also have a volume button. The bottom of the device they have the speaker, a stereo speaker and Type C, and the microphone as well. And also for the Moto 50 Ultra, the Antutu score reached to 1.2 million scores, so it's a very nice and high spec device in the market, even it's a foldable device. And this edition we hands-on is 12GB RAM plus 512GB ROM, and it supports LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0. And for the Ultra, it's the highest one, and also to have the basic Razr 50, the Razr 50 Ultra. Here I can also show you the extended screen. So you can left and right swipe it to switch it from the full display, desktop card, the music, the application, the contact, the calendar, the weather, and the widget. So very convenient. And also you can switch to swipe to change the wallpaper home paper of the device. It's very nice, and here are more pictures about this product, and let's enjoy it. And at the end of the video you can also check the summer pictures. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more pictures from here. Bye bye.